Okay. Okay, baby.
So disgusting, Jordan.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, that is disgusting. He does that because the towel smells. And he likes smelly things. That is gross.
You're going crazy.
Puppy! Say hi. Hello.
Hi, Jordan.
High five. High five. Jordan, high five. No.
Jordan. Not you.
Oh my god. That is gross. Okay, enough of that now. Those paws are all over the place. I think he does have to clean himself too. Or maybe he just likes the smell. Okay, no, don't get me in this video.
Aww. Jordan. Jordan. Wanna go for a walk? Ooh. You wanna go for a walk? Hmm? Do you? You wanna go play with kitties?
Jordan.
No? Yeah? Jordan, you wanna go play with kitties?
Jordan, do you want to go play with Oscar? Or Muffin? Do you like kitties, Jordan? Jordan, do you want to go bye-bye? Are you hungry? High five. High five, good puppy. Good boy. Smile for the camera, buddy. Smile for the camera. Okay. That's a cut.
Okay. Okay, that's a cut, Jordan. Jordan, you can get down now. Jordan, that's it. It's over. Jordan.
Okay, Gene.
Jordan. Okay.
Gene.
That's it.
Okay, cut it now.